Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News, where we trade different. Today is December the 6th, 2020, and we are going to start a new series called The Look Back. It's an opportunity for us to try to gauge the recommendations of 3 stocks to buy or stocks to buy in general from YouTube. If you were to type stocks to buy or 3 stocks to buy or 5 stocks to buy in a YouTube search engine, you guys will see a plethora of videos out there of individuals showing us particular stocks that are expected to go higher in price. Well, we're going to do a look back. We're going to look at the performance of those recommendations or those stocks that they say are going to go higher in price and see if they actually did. And on today's video, we are going to show you the 3 stocks that Positive Investing has recommended back in November of 2017. Now, before I go into that, if this is your first time watching our video, make sure if you guys appreciate our content that you hit the like button, you share the video, and then subscribe. We're here to give you all information and content that is beneficial to each and every one of you. So now, Positive Investing, you guys can see that the video is right here on YouTube. It's been up for about 3 years now. It was actually uploaded on November the 24th, 2017, right here. Okay, and these are the 3 stocks that Positive Investing has recommended: Tencent, eBay, and Ferrari. So we need to see how did these stocks perform from the last 3 years, because many of these individuals say that they recommend these stocks or look for these stocks to go higher in the long term. It's been about 3 years, so we need to take a look and see whether or not these stocks actually moved higher within the 3 years. Okay, so let's look at our report real quick. So here is our report. This is the look back. Like I told you, the video was uploaded on November 24, 2017. So just as a gauge, we took the stock price for these 3 stocks on November the 24th. So whatever the stock price was on the close of that particular day is our starting point. Okay. So here you guys can see on this first particular chart, we got Tencent, eBay, and Race. So when you look at Tencent first, initially the first 7 days of when this video was uploaded to YouTube, we would have been down 8.75%. Got some of that market loss back within 30 days. The market was down 3.13% in Tencent. It wasn't until 90 days into that recommendation that we saw some positive gains. The market in Tencent was up 7.25% right here. Okay. Now, 2018 is where Tencent lost all of that gain from the first 90-day return. That 7.26% was erased a year into the date of when that recommendation was made. Tencent was down 28.72%. Now, did it recover? It sure did. You guys can see right here on Tencent 3-year return, market was up 38.97% from the date of when that recommendation was made. So this is very positive to see the market in Tencent up 38.97% in the 3-year return. Now, 5 years, that is yet to be determined. So just like what occurred from 90-day return to the year to date, you can lose all these gains in Tencent right now as well. Now for eBay, same thing. Initially, the first 7 days, you were down a meager 1.79%, not bad, but you definitely came into positive gains right here on the 30-day and then definitely on the 90-day return. The market in eBay was up 19.5% from the November 24th date of when that video was uploaded to YouTube. You were up 19.5%. But then again, all of that was wiped out in 2018. Market was down 19.64% overall in eBay. But it was here on the 3-year return that the market gained all of that back and then some. Market is up right now on the 3-year return 39.23%. And it's here when you get to Race or Ferrari that the first 7 to 30-day return, you're down 5.5%, 6%. But all of these stocks, you guys can see from Tencent, eBay, and Race, were in positive territory within the first 90 days. Race was up 11.43%, and just like Tencent and eBay, Race lost all of that in 2018, down almost 4%. But take a look at what occurred now on a 3-year return. The market is up 84.65% right here. So out of the 3 stocks, depending on the time preference of when you would exit out the market, Race is definitely the winner for the 3-year return. And all 3 are definitely seeing massive gains within the first 3 years out of any of the other returns. So these stocks within 3 years are definitely showing gains. Now, one thing I want to point out to you is that many individuals consider long-term as 5 years. We are definitely seeing profit being had in these 3 stocks on a 3-year return. What will the market do in 5 years? Will we see an exceeding amount of profits being made on these 3 stocks, or will we experience what occurred back in 2018 where the gains that were had on the 90 days were erased in 1 year? Something that you all need to consider. So this down here at the bottom is what the price was going for these stocks on November 24th. Okay. So for eBay, the price was $35.84. On the last day of close of business, the stock was trading for $50.97. It was about 42.22% profitability, or at least change in price. So you're definitely seeing higher price in eBay. Same thing in Ferrari, in Race. The price was going for $113.71 back in November 24th, 2017. Now it's $210.34, which is almost about 85% change. Very good. Tencent, same thing. The market is seeing increase in value in a particular stock. But definitely what we're showing you right now in this report is going to look totally different in the next 2 years. Just something for you all to consider, think about. So for positive investing, these 3 stocks that he did in November 2017 are definitely showing some gains as of now. But in 5 years, might be a totally different story. So questions, comments, let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.